folks, it's me again. And my silly little channel that has the same number of subscribers I did last week. It's been going up and down. One less. So if somebody's joining or the bots are joining, they're getting kicked off. Anyway, if you, this is my weekly what's new. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Having more subscribers helps, I guess. Be nice. Have like, at least 10,000 subscribers. Be cool. Weekly what's new. I'm still building a shed. It's freezing cold out. Last time I worked on it was -6. I'm not sure what that is in the American scale or anywhere else in the world, but here everything's metric. So it's -6. Right now it's -14 out, and I will not be using any machinery because the air currents off of any spinny thing in this weather in my garage, it's got to be at least -6 in here. But I don't know, maybe. But it's freezing cold, and your hands kind of get like whatever. But with that said, January's coming, getting shit powder coated. I cleaned my floor, believe it or not. This I got to show you because you're going to laugh when you see this. I cleaned part of my garage. See the, wait, let me unplug it. Hold on. This is my floor. See, you could see it. Okay. I cleaned over there, look at that. You can see the floor right there. You can see the floor down there. There's all kinds of stuff. See that? Whoa, cool. Anyway, that's new. Why did I clean the floor? Because I got welding to do. And if it gets anywhere between 0 and... actually, if it gets anywhere between 3 degrees and -4, I will do some welding out my garage door. With that said, what's new on the channel? I don't have these wild, crazy channels. I'm not Mr. Beast or anything. It's just me doing my thing. So, you can watch. You don't have to. I got a gas tank I'm going to be dipping in... what am I dipping again? I'm dipping it in vinegar. The seat for the bike is coming in tomorrow, which by the time we get this will be like 3 weeks from now. What else? Just me cleaning up. I have another bench cleaning video because it's fun showing people tools. I literally found a huge pile. I was working on the bike, and as you're working on stuff, basically what happens, I work on things for a couple hours. I leave the tools there, and I come back like 2 days later and keep working. After a while, I go and after I'm done, I clean up all the tools. Not all the time. Sometimes I just sit there. But I lost a few. But there's a giant pile of tools on my bench here that were scattered everywhere. So I tried to round them all up, put some of them back in there, and did that. Threw out at least 3 things of junk. So there's a lot of junk. I organized it a little bit. I can walk around the other side of my bench now. I cleared all that of the way. I had to clean this side of the floor because I have a bottle that broke back there with a million little tic-tac things. They're like tacks. So there's like, not only is there pointy little tacks, but there's broken glass in it. So I'm like, should I throw them all away or should I just keep them? So my thumb's still numb for some reason. With that said, there's not much going on. I'm waiting to do powder coating in January. I'm sending out 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to be powder, 5 pieces on the front to be powder coated. When I get the welding machine out, I'm going to weld that rack up. I keep saying this, but don't worry. It'll be videos of me doing it. And that's pretty much it. I'm just making crazy little videos and having fun. I do this for fun. It's not like a big, for a living. I don't make any money off this. I haven't made any money off YouTube. I just need watch hours. I have enough subscribers. I need more watch hours. That's all I need. And I think you need a large inventory of good videos, which I'm pretty sure I don't have a large inventory of good videos, but I do have a large inventory of videos. I need good ones. And 1,000 subscribers. I got 1,716, I think I have. I think it says, or 4, I don't know how many subscribers I have, but I'm pretty sure I knew yesterday. Anyway, with that said, I'll stop yapping and make dumb videos now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tell your friends I have a crazy channel. There's 3-wheelers in it. Thanks for watching.